This is how I remove my lace fronts. Easy. Alcohol spray. Spray good. And get it saturated. And you just work it. Work it in there. I had already sprayed it right there, but if you saturate it with it, and this is a good method to get your lace front off without damaging your hairline. I had this in for about a week and something since I had did that this install of this, and it stayed on so good. So you just massage it in there. And don't tug at it, you know, just make sure you put enough so it can get soft. Okay. And that's all I have in there is alcohol. You just rub it. You ain't gonna damage your lace or nothing like that by just rubbing it. You're just rubbing the alcohol in so the alcohol can eat up the got-to-be glue, because that's what I use. You're just rubbing it. And you can feel it loosen it up. You see how it's coming up? And as you can see, it's coming up. See that? And you do it until, you know, if you need some more alcohol, you spray it again. And that's how you remove your lace front, easy, with all your edges still there. And it won't mess up your lace. And you can wash this bad boy and use it again. Quick little tip. Okay? Alright, you guys. See you guys later. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, y'all go ahead and subscribe. Easiest, quickest way to get that frontal off. Okay? Just using alcohol and a little rubbing. And a little rubbing. A little patience. Don't tug at it. Just let it come itself, okay? And you're going to see. And that's that. I hope this helps somebody. Love you guys. Walk in love, because Jesus is love. And if you love Jesus, you definitely walk in love too. See you guys later.